Hello everyone, this is RKD from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick demo of custom ordered attachments for one of our customers. They are an excavator rake and excavator ripper for a 13-ton machine. First, we're going to start with a rake. Let's check out the wing plate. As you see, it is made for 65 millimeter pins, suitable for 12 to 18 ton excavators, weighs 372 kilograms, and also it is made by a factory that's certified for Europe and uses ISO 9001 quality standard. This is a 55-inch wide rake. Thickness of the plate that were used to make the tines on this rake is 45 millimeters. Mounting ears are 20 millimeters thick. Also, it has replaceable teeth. And now let's take a look at the quality of the welds. It is rock solid, high quality excavator rake. Now let's take a look at the ripper. First, we'll start with the wing plate. Just as with the rake, this ripper also has 65 millimeter pins. It is made for an excavator from 12 to 18 tons. Weight is 256 kilograms. And again, made by a factory that passes European quality standards and use ISO 9001 quality standard controls during the manufacturing process. This ripper has replaceable teeth, and also the thickness of the ripper itself is 60 millimeters. Side reinforcements are 20 millimeter thick. The mounting plate here is 25 millimeter thick. There is a V-shape insert between the ears to add extra strength. And now let's take a look at the weld quality. It's a very solid attachment. JoyT5 offers a wide variety of custom-made attachments for machines from 1 ton to 80 tons in weight. We have everything from rippers, rakes, digging buckets, trenching buckets, V-buckets, cleanup buckets, augers, shears, pulverizers, braking hammers, compactor plates, you name it. And even if you saw some specialty attachment, we can probably make it for you. Also, when you work with us, before your attachment goes to production, we will create drawings for you where you can specify all the parameters, starting from the thickness of the steel plate, grade of steel, you name it. So if you need some attachments for your machine, any brand, as mounts can be custom made as well, give us a call or visit JoyT5.com.